So it's another hot and windy day in the desert. Typical. So we're going to work in the garage. No, not on the Willie's Jeep. We're going to work on the bike in a box. About time to put this thing back together. So we're going to get it all cleaned up, throw it back together. First I need to get it out of the box. So I'll do that now. Okay, we got all the pieces out of the box. Pieces everywhere. One of the reasons I took it apart to clean it up was the wheels. Normally wheels are stainless steel. This is chrome plated. So it's got some rust going on. But it does have these cool markings on the side, which is pretty awesome. I had a neighbor that gave me this bike years ago. And when he had it, he added these leather strips on here. Guess that's what he used to do when they were kids. And when you're riding it, they just kind of hang there and then hit the spokes. Make some noise. Guess that was a pretty cool thing back in the day. Both wheels have it. This is a German-made bicycle. Most of the decals are faded off. You can kind of see what that one says. I believe you pronounce it Kalkhoff. Probably butchered that. But you can definitely tell it's German by this sticker right here. I don't know what year this would be. Anybody that knows bicycles has some information on this. I would love to know more about it. This is a folding bike, or I guess you can just take it apart more than folding, but... And then the fenders, they are stainless, and they're kind of scratched up and faded, and they need polished up. I'm not going to worry about getting all the scratches out of it, because most of the time it's just going to be set and collecting dust. But I think this would be a neat bike to keep in the van, since it can come apart. Break down to a small pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning everything up. Just gonna take some fine steel wool to the wheels, clean that up, hit it with some chrome polish. I'm not sure if there's any rust on the handlebars. Check them out, clean that up. Go ahead and polish up those fenders. And I'm just gonna clean this, hopefully not take too much of the decals off. I would love to put new decals on it. If anybody knows where to get something like that or knows how to make it, that'd be cool. So I'm going to go grab a bucket of hot water and start cleaning. See what we come up with. Alright, the pile went to here from there, but now it's all clean. Figured I'd go ahead and assemble it before I do any kind of polishing. That way I'm just not putting fingerprints all over everything that just polished. So I'm going to go ahead and slap it back together. If I remember how to put all the pieces back together, and we'll check it out. Pretty cool bike. I think you'll like it. Achtung! That's the only word I understand. Thanks to taking German in high school. No, just kidding. The only way I know that is because of Hogan's Heroes. But here it is. It's together. It's a pretty neat little bike. Still needs a polish on it. One of the neat features is this rack on the back. And this thing is spring loaded to hold your stuff in place. I'm gonna call it good right now. Still gotta finish putting the handbrake on. I was planning on working on some other stuff today, but now the sun's starting to go down because this took me all day. Took a while to put it back together because I lost some of the screws. That's how it goes. Glad to actually have this thing all put back together again. I got my box back. Just kidding. It's a neat little bike. It's fun to ride. I'll finish getting it all cleaned up and then be ready to go. Put some miles on it. Well, thanks for hanging out at Van Gogh Garage today in Little Carburetor Spring, Colorado. Bye.